Parking à droite.
Avec le gros drapeau qui flotte.
Je pense que c'est ça, on n'a pas le choix.
Second place starter back to third already, and he's got a challenge coming to his left elbow, side by side with Ryan Blaney. That's the battle for the number 3 spot.
That is the first battle that is side by side in the top 5 as the front 2 now have broken away. Tyler Reddick, Matt Crampton 1 and 2, side by side for third now. But the outside lane begins to inch forward. Battle for seconds in 3.
Tyler Reddick leads that outside lane to the inside. It's Matt Crampton, the battle for second. One truck length behind. Sole race leader Tyler Reddick all by himself at the front of the field on turn 4 for the first time.
Taylor Maltz right there though, looking directly.
Right now, it almost looks like Joe Nemechek just made a left-hand turn. Ben Kennedy right down on the bottom of the racetrack where he wanted to be.
There goes another guy. He
that the double yellow line, and it was Joe Nemechek that literally kind of turned left.
I think that other guy got a piece of debris and blew the tire.
Ben Kennedy head on into the outside retaining wall. That truck almost got upside down before landing on all 4 tires. Ryan Ellis involved also.
He got hit twice,
and then
twice.
If that wasn't bad enough, that truck turned back around, went back up the racetrack, and backed into the outside retaining wall. So courtesy of Sprint Vision, a wild, wild ride for Ben Kennedy.
Caution flag is out. There'll be a few moments as we complete the cleanup here. The flyover occurred here a few moments ago. So we're down to 18.
John West Townley as Bubba Wallace comes surging up on his back. Towards the top, Peters on the bottom, and Townley up top.
Remember, they cannot lock bumpers, but they can still just run up there and give somebody a pop in the old tailgate. That's what we're seeing right now on the Alabama game super stretch. Problem though, outside lane loses. Peters back to the point.
Timothy Peters out front all by himself, side by side from second on back. Ryan Blaney to the inside of John West Townley. Then it's Taylor Maltz to the inside of Darrell Wallace Jr. Side by side from second all the way through the field. Timothy Peters up front.
Here they come across the stripe with John West Townley.
I think like everybody's had their own agenda, of course, and nobody can motivate them together to get past Timothy Peters and that 17. So I feel real bad for Bubba Wallace. He seemed to have the truck move to look at. I think it's real good. Just really didn't have the help. We get feet around Wallace and got some wonderful looks here.
Wow, look at that. Type Finders in the sky.
All right, fans, look to the sky. See the world famous Long Island-based GEICO Sky Tigers.
as well as perform a 6-aircraft wingtip-to-wingtip formation flyover in their WW2 World War II era SNJs during the national anthem just prior to the GEICO 500. The historic SNJ airplanes have radio-powered. Continue here today. 12 drivers will continue the aircraft championship, but only one driver will make history and become your 2014 champion. Now, let's welcome race fans. Here are your 2014 champions for the NASCAR Sprint Cup competitors. Our 28th starter is a 5-time winner here in Talladega. Please welcome the driver of the number 88 Chevrolet.
Yeah!
Driving the number 48 Chevrolet from El Cajon, California, and starting second. Please welcome Chevrolet from Human Washington. Please welcome your 8th place starter, Casey Bates. Starting 43rd today. He has 2 wins this season and starts 15th today. Welcome, your driver of the number 99 Chevrolet Ford from Columbia, Missouri. He won here early in his NASCAR Sprint Cup Series career in 2003. Welcome today to the 11th starter, driving the number 31 Caterpillar Chevrolet from South Bend, Indiana, Ryan Dugan. He won here in 2008, driver of the number 18 Hamilton.
points. Matt Jensen from the rear, making it into Jake. Checking the line. Low, single file on the outside line. One driver dropping on the apron to get some room. There's some breathing room right there. That's Carl Edwards as Jimmy Johnson will lead the field to 3.
That's the outside lane that advances. He will cross over to the bottom in front of Brian Vickers. Here comes Ryan Blaney in the outside along with Michael McDowell. A.J. Allmendinger to the bottom with Jimmy Johnson off from fourth point.
Tiptoeing at 200 miles an hour around the Talladega Superspeedway, lap 1, about to go in the books. This Jimmy Johnson.
Talladega Superspeedway.